Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Aquila catamaran dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2024 32 Sport from Aquila, outboard powered catamaran. Such a great boat for our South Florida market. Unbelievably stable, fast, has such great beam and accommodations. You see the windlass on the front here. Just a really good looking catamaran. Almost from the side you wouldn't know it's a cat. This one's powered by a pair of V8 300 Mercuries. Makes a great dive platform, cruising platform, even water sports if you want. Underwater lights on this one. You have a huge concealed dive ladder in here. Amazing seating on both sides here. You do have an electric sure shade that comes out of the hardtop. Look at all the seating in here. Look at all the room. Storage underneath all the seats. Double helm seat here. Beautiful hardtop supports. Hardtop hatches. This is all joystick driven. Real nice Raymarine electronics package. Nice LED lighting package. You have a nice passenger seat here as well. Let's take a look. This boat has not been prepped yet, so there's actually still sheets and protective stuff in the cabin here, but air conditioned, diesel generator. So that's your little cabin on one side. On the starboard side, you actually have a full stand-up head and shower here. You have an electric barbecue grill on this model. Nice wet sink here. And you also have a trash receptacle and a refrigerator here. Walking up to the bow, you have a nice filler that can make this a complete sun lounge, or leave them separate so you have easy access to it. We'll go up here, we'll do a little spin around just to take a look at the cockpit again. Again, this is a 2024 Aquila 32 Sport here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. We'll do a little panorama of our beautiful location here. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Tyler Hill signing off. Thanks for watching.